Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, I'm looking at the Pryxo Non-Invasive blood glucose monitor, and I want to be very upfront about this one. After digging through user feedback, medical commentary, and what's actually known about this kind of tech, the short answer is no, it's not worth your money. The biggest issue is accuracy. People who've bought devices under this same branding or similar listings report wildly inconsistent readings, sometimes completely random numbers that don't match real glucose levels at all. On top of that, there's a bigger concern here. Health regulators have repeatedly warned that there are currently no fully non-invasive over-the-counter glucose monitors that are medically reliable. So if a device is claiming to do that, it's already a red flag. The risk isn't just wasted money, it's dangerous. Wrong glucose readings can lead to incorrect insulin use or missed warnings, which can become a medical emergency. If you're trying to avoid finger pricks, the safer route is a real continuous glucose monitor prescribed by a doctor. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there.